Hello everyone, myself Dr. Swati Karade. Today present research paper on e-learning in higher education during the lockdown period of COVID-19 pandemic. This is the abstract of my paper. The overall education sector has been collapsed during the lockdown period, and not only in India but also all over the globe will be affected. So this research paper focused on e-learning modes adopted by the Mumbai University for the teaching learning processes. The purpose of this paper seeks to address the required essentialities of e-learning in education. Also, this paper enlightened the ongoing e-learning activities during the lockdown period, including in education system. So this paper will be helps to overcome the academic disturbance and consequently ensure the normal course of the procedure in the education system. So in this lockdown period, all economical sectors will be devastated and approximately 264 million children will be not going to school due to the shutdown the schools, colleges and university. So at that time the only option remained, that is the e-learning. So this online education shifted in this period. So these some changes, this platform is performed some changes the destinations and the direction. So in this period, both teachers and students failed to compare to embrace these digital academic experiences, but at the same time, some people found the profit-making opportunities in these sectors also. So these integrating technologies in next generation very vastly demanded. So present paper is conducted in Mumbai University, Mumbai. In present study used both qualitative and qualitative methodologies for the e-learning in Mumbai University. In 10 faculty members and about 100 students will be included in this survey, and this all information will be gathered in the form of some semi-structured interview and take the opinions of the students as well as teachers. So this is the results and discussion of my survey. The present survey revealed that the variety of the digital modes of e-learning, almost all the teachers and students were used. So this table shows the different modes that will used by the teachers as well as students. The teacher's opinion in online e-learning, that is the decision of the MHRD, UGC and also university. Online teaching will be at the right time. Also there will be needs more technical preparedness for teaching the through online. There is also needs to develop some necessary skills. The teachers have also a need to take the needs to use user-friendly features of this technology. Also at that same time, some resources are also available for teachers like Zooms or Google Meet. So these teachers will always motivating the students about this, and they found some critical strategies at that time. Then students' opinion on this online e-learning find out in this survey that they were found the touching way with their lessons or the syllabus. They are not customized with smartphones and computers, so they will be sit back about, or they show some less interest in attention. Also, due to the poor economy, they are not having the affordable prepaid plan. The Google Classroom shows the best way with the chatting with the teachers and students, but some negativity are also found in the survey, that the understanding about the online classes, and also they are aware about the conceptual knowledge and disclosure activities. The student faces problems regarding the unstable network connections and some also found struggling due to the financial problems. So in this situation, both teachers as well as the students goes to the stressful situation. So in this survey, my conclusion is that everyone must learn how to live and survive with this present crisis, and with this situation, the negligence towards the digital transformation in higher education sectors. To develop the multitask approach to achieve course content objective for better learning outcome can be a better idea to deal with the complexity of online education. The governments must ensure about the availability of reliable communication tools and high quality of digital academic experience. So these are some references that are used in preparation of these research papers.